Watch this story of this girl who finally discovered who she was. This is Ashley. She's just like you. She's had some struggles, but came out on the other side of them better. She has hopes, dreams, and is figuring this thing called life out.
Ashley's mom is black and her dad is Nigerian. He sadly passed away when she was younger, but one of the things that he left her with was an Igbo middle name, Chidiogo.
She never knew what it meant. To fit in at school, she would never tell anyone what her middle name was. She had some friends, but was shy sometimes. She felt like something was missing. And if she could find it, then she could finally express herself the way she wanted.
But that changed when she started college. When she saw the name of her roommate on her freshman orientation packet, her face lit up. She had never met another Chidiogo before. She ran to say hi to her. Chidiogo met her with more positive vibes than she had ever felt in her life.
This was exactly what Ashley had needed all along. She broke out of her shell with confidence and never looked back.